In this video, I will show you how to add an end screen on your YouTube videos. And if this video does help you out today, then please consider dropping down below the video, liking the video, and also consider subscribing to the channel. With that being said, let's jump straight into the tutorial. So you can see I'm currently on youtube.com, and what I'm going to do is actually come across to YouTube Studio, because to add an end screen, this actually happens when you upload a video. So when you actually upload a video onto YouTube, you will be given the option to add an end screen. So you would just go through, upload your video as normal, and you'll come to a point where you'll have the option to add an end screen if you wish. Now, if you want to actually add end screens to existing videos, again, this is very, very easy to do. So what you want to do is come to YouTube Studio. Next, what you want to do is come across to this menu on the left-hand side and click onto Contents to bring up all your videos. So I'm just going to pick one of these randomly just to show you as an example. So we're just going to go for this one and click onto Details. So when you hover over your videos, you're going to get this little pencil icon. So you want to click onto Details. And this way you're going to come to actually add an end screen. So if we actually scroll down the page, you can see I've got my video description here. And you'll see actually over to the right that we have the end screen option here. So what you can do is just click onto this, and you'll be able to add an end screen from here. Now, there are some preloaded templates from YouTube, but you can play about with this. So for example, at the moment you can see I've got the subscribe button and my playlist up here. But what I can do is click this plus element button here, and you can add all sorts of things to your end screen. For example, videos, channels, and playlists. And what you would do is, say for example you wanted to add in a video, then you would just click onto the element, and you can see that's placed it on here. So what you can then do is just choose where you want this to go on the end screen. So you can have it like over here, or you can move it more central, or wherever you want to move it really. And then for each different element, you're going to get some options. So for the case of videos, for example, you can choose to have the most recent upload show in. The one that's going to be best for the viewer, which allows YouTube to actually select a video from your channel which is going to best suit the viewer. Or what you can do is choose a specific video to show on your end screen. So of course the options are different depending on what element you put in. So for playlists, of course, you can choose which playlists to display, and so on and so forth. Once you've made your changes, all you need to do is come up and click the save button up here to save any changes, and that's going to instantly add the end screen to your videos. So I hope this video helped you out today, and if it did, if you would consider leaving a like below the video and subscribing to the channel, I really do appreciate it. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next tutorial.